Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover forgotten Gmail password. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser. Go to Gmail homepage. Click on Sign In. Enter email ID for which you want to recover password and click Next. In this step, it asks to enter password. As you don't know the password, click on Forget Password. Then, you are redirected to Account Recovery page. In Account Recovery page, click on Try Another Way. Then, it asks to enter recovery email ID to get a verification code. After entering email ID, click on Send. A 6-digit code will be sent to your recovery email. Check for the verification mail and enter the code as showing in the tutorial, and click on Next. After that, you will be asked to set new password. Type your new password and click on Next. That's it, your Gmail password has been recovered and you will be logged into your Gmail account. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.